What's the company name? Because y'all have several entities, right?
Yes, it all started with Ram Restoration.
Okay.
And so that is the main entity that started a while back in 2012, really.
Okay.
So that's where it all started. And then from there, we grew into buying a construction company. And that's where Ram Construction came into effect, to where that is more or less going to do the large scale construction projects and the large scale rebuilds. And then with that, we broke off with that as a plumbing company. That came with the acquisition of the construction company. So that's where we have Restoration Plumbing.
Got it.
And then we also spun off Ram Mold Pro because of the technology in our other company, our sister company, Extreme Microbial Technologies. So within Extreme Microbial Technologies, we eliminate bacteria, molds, and viruses in indoor air environments.
Okay.
So our technology we have on that side is a huge benefit and a disruptor in the market. So that's why we branched off Ram Mold Pro on what our technology we offer with our sister company and how we can use that into residential and commercial spaces on treating mold in a different way.
Got it. Okay. Because your tagline's everything in one roof.
Correct. Yeah.
So
as well as Ram Roofing too. Forgot about Ram Roofing. So with restoration, we've always done roofing, right? And so we just spun that off to where it's its own entity, to where it can take care of the roofing and exteriors separate from everything else.
Got it. Mm-hmm. So it sounds like, and correct me if I'm wrong, but it's a waterfall business model where you have restoration on the top of it, which deals with your catastrophic, your water, mold, that kind of stuff. But you also have the full rebuild reconstruction processes, and you have other entities in-house that you can do it all with one contact instead of having to go get 10 different contracts.
Correct. Yes. And that's how it is. And we want to be able to service our customer in the best way. So if we're doing a bathroom that had a water incident and now we have to bring in a plumber, now we have the plumbers in-house to where we can call in our own plumbing guys to go over there to fix the leak, to where we can be more effective and faster and quicker with our response, as well as having it all internally, so we have control of that as well to serve our customer the best way we can.
Yeah, so you get a little faster service, you can control the timelines, and at the end of the day, it's all about making sure the customer gets back to restored quicker.
Exactly. Instead of having them have 6-8 people they have to call separately, we are one shop to where you have multiple services we can service, and as they've broken out, they can service better in their own ways with their own capacity.
Got it.